The introduction of cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others made one thing clear to researchers. The blockchain is digging in for the long haul. With this certainty of calculation skill, the cryptographers and researchers stayed at work longer than required to make an exceptional digital money that could hold an incentive at a splendid future cost, empowering taking credits, making installments, and all in replaceable nearby monetary forms. Before we start with definite Nexo cost expectation, how about we actually look at coin outline? What makes Nexo interesting? Nexo is a blockchain-based loaning stage that gives digital money upheld credits to clients. These advances don't need a FICO rating, and this component makes it an alluring choice for clients. With the Nexo stage, clients store upheld crypto resources for procure moment credit in 45+ government-issued types of money. Check total Nexo survey here. After keeping, a credit line opens up and no credit check is important. Clients can spend from their credit line whenever by the Nexo card or pull out straightforwardly to their ledger. The whole system of Nexo depends on two standards: 1. Versatility of exchanges. 2. Working with a smooth coordination with different applications. It appears Nexo will thoroughly change the worldwide skyline of installments, and furthermore is a wise speculation choice. A striking element of Nexo has been the carrying out of free virtual cards that likewise permit no restriction transformations of monetary standards. These cards can be utilized for limits and the best advantage clients determine as they can pay in their neighborhood monetary standards. Nexo, specialized investigation. Like other digital currencies, Nexo also is generally reliant upon value development and request and supply, and is profoundly weak despite the fact that it depends on blockchain calculations. Specialists differ as they would like to think about the commitments Nexo holds in the years to come. In light of verifiable information, soon after Nexo showed up on trade in 2018, its most memorable enormous flood came, and among April and May, the cost of Nexo rose from $0.558 to $0.987, an impressive leap that mirrored a tremendous measure of early financial backer interest. Notwithstanding, it stamped nearly flattish force till September 2020. Afterward, the cost of Nexo had scaled above 73 cents, however at that point, it confronted a slight rectification and retested the 50 cents mark. Shockingly, in the coronavirus stage, the verifiable information shows, when any remaining monetary forms exhibited a troubling execution, the Nexo cost has shown soundness, acquiring financial backer certainty, showing an extraordinary flood in force with no Nexo cost drop. Understanding starting from the start of this current year. The cost of Nexo has been persistently rising, and as of late, it has denoted a record-breaking high of $4.05. Be that as it may, subsequent to hitting $4.05, Nexo cost dip under $1.50, and right now, it recuperates around the $2 mark with a week-by-week value change of 27%. Nexo value forecast by specialists. Being recorded on most of trades gives Nexo a supportability advantage that impacts Nexo conjecture contrasted with conventional monetary forms. The ongoing cost of Nexo waits around $2.29 with a 24 hours value change of -0.41% and a 24 hours volume of $12,158,815.42 with a market cap of $1,282,880,480.52. There is as of now a circling supply of 560,011 Nexo tokens on the planet. In light of our expectations from the ongoing cost of Nexo, a drawn-out increment is expected. The Nexo cost visualization for 2027 is $9.309. With a 5-year speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 306.33%. According to the Estimate Information Investigation, the cost of Nexo is supposed to cross the degree of $2.30. Before the year's over, Nexo is supposed to arrive at a most extreme degree of $3.20. Financial backers and holders of crypto resources should know the cost of Nexo, and the XO, in 2022. Nexo conjecture of cost sounds profoundly bullish in the future, as it has shown a dependable consistency. toward the finish of 2022. The Nexo/USD cost could without much of a stretch swing around $2.58757, settling on trade choices to acquire benefits in Nexo. Being founded on specialized examination, the cost of Nexo holds positive opinion for the impending months. The Nexo value change might reach $5.61 toward the finish of 2022. Nexo value expectation 2022. Keeping up couple with a similar bullish pattern, there are expectations that the Nexo cost is ready for a rise even in the year next, for example 2022. The cost of Nexo also will run parallelly on a similar bullish pattern, lines contacting the $2.03 mark in view of cost forecasts. Nexo value forecast 2023. Going by the investigation of more limited and longer Nexo cost patterns, almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be entirely ideal for Nexo for heightening, particularly with rivals finding intensity or markets playing find the stowaway. There is an estimated possibility of the Nexo crash to $3.61 once more. Nexo value expectation 2024. Expressing that a stunning chance doesn't exist in view of expectation at the cost of Nexo and that bulls will ride the crypto market, it is by and by expected that Nexo will govern the crypto realm, wiping out BTC strength with a presentation of cost fixed at $3.94. Nexo can possibly support as well as reliably fill even in antagonistic circumstances, basically due to its solid essentials. Nexo value expectation 2025. The current year's expectations could stamp as the benchmark year as the cost of Nexo is waged to outperform $4.62 definitely. Principally in light of the fact that this year no critical elements like pandemic or downturn are expected to shake the foundations of world economies, and it is normal that the vast majority of the harm done would be on street to fix work in every world economy. Nexo value forecast 2026. As indicated by our Nexo cost conjecture in view of specialized examination and past information, this cryptographic money could leap to about $4.59 by December 2026. Nexo, value forecast past 2026. Master financial backers of computerized coins generally plan for the long haul as opposed to the transient cost developments. With a touch of tolerance and keeping the expectations high and the drawn-out conjectures, financial backers can expect to circle back toward the finish of 2026 as the reception of Nexo would fill dramatically as far as cost and market cap, by when Nexo would not anymore a credulous participant in the realm of digital currencies, however a carefully prepared player.